I'll be using French Rose Clay Mask. I have done a review on this product too. I'll be putting that on the I button above. Always let your mask dry for some time. I am using Ayush moisturizer as my primer as well as moisturizer. Then a foundation from Maybelline Fit Me. I won't be concealing my under eyes because I have got no dark circles. I'm not bragging about this. If you have got dark circles, it's okay. That's what concealers are made for. Don't worry. The reason behind me using these are because I recently saw a liquid eyeshadow of Huda and it cost like 1.5k. So I just thought let's give it a try using these matte lip colors I have, and it went awesome. So that's why I thought I'd share this trick with you all. I hope you guys like it. I'll put the link of this product in the description box. Do check that out. Now taking a shade darker than the first one, I'll just put it in the outside corners of the eye and then merge it with this brush. And also these matte lip shades are super reasonable, so just go and buy it right now. Now with a sponge brush, I'll use some pink highlighter and highlight my inner corners of the eye. And then merge it nicely. Here I am using some gel eyeliner from Swiss Beauty. I'll also put the link of this product in the description box. Now with some kajal, I'll just highlight the outside corners of my lower lash line and not the whole thing, just the corners. And then smudge it a bit with a sponge brush. For eyebrows, I am using brow powder from same Swiss Beauty. The lipstick I am using here is from Lakme Absolute, and the shade color will be mentioned in the description box. Then with a lip liner, I will outline my lips. I am using a sugar blush, mini blush. At the end, don't forget to dazzle yourself up with some perfume. Here I am using a Miniso Pink perfume.